Vegas Pro is not responding. If you get this message in Vegas Pro and everything is grayed out and you cannot use the program, then try to do the following thing. This is only a video. I captured my previous error. So to fix that problem, disable the GPU acceleration, because from time to time you might receive a different error message than this one, and there nv.dll was showing up on my computer. So NV stands for NVIDIA and hence it's related to the graphics card. So go to Options, Preferences, Video, and the GPU acceleration, set it from your graphics card to off and close it with OK. Now you have to restart the program, Vegas Pro, and then the freezing might stop. If it's not stopping, then probably it's related to something else, but in my case it disappeared. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.